Here ma'am, you can see this is the link. When you click on link, it will be asked for a username password. So you need to type your username password. When you type your username password, this type of work panel will be open. Here you can see your expiry date. Here you can see total numbers of forms and your completed forms. On expiry date ma'am, you need to submit your work before 4 o'clock. Your total number of pages are there, last login are there, completed pages. Here you can see the company details because it's demo ID. When you open your ID, it will be show like your details. Here you can see the page status, how much you have completed the work and how much page are left. Now for data, do the work, you need to go in data filling. In data filling, you will get the 20 columns and 20 details that you need to fill out. Here you can see the 20 columns and here you can see the 20 details which you need to fill out. Like that you can see. After that you need to change your tab. It's like that. Where it is written the space, you need to write a space. Where it is a single space, you need to put a single space. Where it is a capital space, you need to put a capital space. Okay ma'am. As it is only you need to write. Okay. Like that you need to type it. And here you can see in license number, after @ you can see there is a hash, percentage, and the symbol is known as AND. Okay, so this the symbol is the AND. Here you can see. So as it is written, you need to type that only, and after completing your whole work, you need to submit it. When you click on submit, automatically the form will be submitted and new form will be came on your screen. Here I have not fulfilled the field, that's why it's showing like that. Now to recheck your forms, you need to go in page list. All the forms will be came here which will be filled by you or me. So you can check it ma'am. There is the edit option is there. You can do editing work also. Okay, but there is a time limit of editing work. Means 24 hours time limit is there. After 24 hours the form will be locked automatically. Then you can see that form, but you can't able to edit in that form. Suppose we have filled the form at 12:22. So you can re-edit that form till tomorrow 12:22. Okay, you can see as it is only written all the details what is given upside. Okay, if you need to do anything editing, then you can do like that. After that you need to click on update. Then only your form editing will be successful. Here you can see page done successfully updated. Okay ma'am. Now you can see your submit project option. Here it is written you cannot submit your work. Why ma'am? Because here the page is given 1800 and I have only completed 1041. So first of all I need to complete my given pages. Then automatically your option will be came. You can submit your project. And at last before 4 o'clock I need to submit my project. When you click here, your project will be submitted and one PDF file will be downloaded. So that PDF file you need to send to ServiceCare mail ID, then they will provide you the QC report date and QC report password. If you have any type of confusion or queries, you can use my WhatsApp number, you can use my call number also. You can take a snapshot of that form, highlight there where you have confusion, and you can send that form to my WhatsApp so I can clear your doubts. Or else you can use the support option also. You can write your queries here and you can send it directly. You will get the reward from server side. Okay, and there is the helpline number also on ServiceCare mail ID also. If you want, you can use that also. Here you can see a logo. When you click on logo, 3 options will become edit profile, change password and log out. So you can edit your profile like you are updating on WhatsApp. You can change your password, but there is a no forgot password option is there. So please remind your password. If you are forgetting, then there is not a responsibility of our company side anything. Last option is a log out. Multiple login is not allowed. Means at the same time you can't log in the same work in 2 PC or 2 laptop. If you want to do multiple login, then first log out from 1 PC or 1 laptop. Then you can re-log in any another laptop or PC, not an issue. And another thing, if you are using a mobile data for this work, then multiple IP address will be found. Suppose if you are using your mobile data now, right? So now your mobile data connection is not going too good. You need to use another family member mobile data. So first of all you need to log out from your mobile IP, then you can re-log in from any another mobile data. If you don't log out and just re-log in from another mobile data, then in that condition it will be found multiple login. And one thing more, in data filling ma'am, when you fill the form, sometimes history will be coming like that. I have clicked here and I have like that history is coming. If I click like this, then it will be count as a copy paste. So don't click like this. Please do the manual typing work. And if you have any confusion or queries, please let me know. Okay.